Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the header color on your Weebly website. This straightforward process takes only a few minutes and results in a customized header that perfectly matches your brand. Begin by navigating to the Weebly website. You can reach their free site builder by entering the URL or searching for Weebly in your web browser. Once you arrive at the homepage, the next step is to log in. Enter your email and password, or use another platform if you signed up that way. After providing your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. Now that you are in your account, you will see the overview page listing all your current projects. Select the site you wish to modify and click the Edit Site button to launch the design editor. Once the editor loads, go to the top navigation bar and click on the Build option. This gives you access to various customization tools. To adjust the header, click directly on the stock header image. From the editing menu that appears, select Edit Background to modify the visual elements. When the menu expands, click the small drop-down icon to reveal the color settings. Next, click the Color button to begin the process. Select Change Color to open the palette and choose a hue that fits your desired aesthetic. After picking your color, click the left-pointing arrow icon to return to the previous menu. To finish, click anywhere outside the editing box to exit the mode. Your updates are now live, and the new color will appear on your website's header. You have successfully updated your Weebly header color. This small change significantly enhances your site's appearance and helps create a strong first impression for your visitors. Remember, personalizing these details is vital for standing out and meeting your branding goals.